Hi everyone, this is Ravi. In the point of sports category, Commonwealth Games here. Very important in the standard GK point of view as well as current affairs point of view. Definitely questions will appear from the sports events and also Commonwealth Games. What are Commonwealth Games? When it was originated, what is the incident to inspire to create these games? What are the changing names of these games? And what is the performance by Indians in these games? We should look at here. Very important. Commonwealth Games, shortly known as CWG. First one, in the Times newspaper, one article was published in 1900. That article was written by John Astley Cooper. Very important. John Astley Cooper from the Times in 1900. In that article, he proposed for the special games for Commonwealth countries. After that, in the year 1911, the games were creation inspired by the Inter-Empire Championships. In the previous days, we have empires or kingdoms. In the 1911, Inter-Empire Championships was held in London, UK in the year 1911. That Inter-Empire Championships called Festivals of Empire. Festival of Empire. That was the inspired event to creation of the Commonwealth Games, which was held in 1911 at London in UK, United Kingdom. The founder of the Commonwealth Games, Melville Marks Robinson, UK. Melville Marks Robinson is the founder of Commonwealth Games. The first Commonwealth Games was held in August 16 to 23rd, 1930. Here, first event held in 1930, August 16 to 23rd has taken place for every 4 years. The Commonwealth Games held for every 4 years. Very important thing. First event taken place in 1930 at Hamilton, Canada. First event held in Hamilton, Canada. Very important that. Hamilton, Canada. In that first Hamilton Commonwealth Games, 11 countries had been participated. 400 athletes in 6 sport disciplines. Very important. Now, around 18 sporting disciplines, 275 events. In the first 11 countries, 400 athletes and simply 6 events, 6 sport disciplines. In 2018, 71 countries, 275 events, 18 sports disciplines, around 6,600 athletes have participated in 2018 games. Here, Commonwealth Games are international multi-sport event involving athletes from the Commonwealth nations only. What are the Commonwealth nations here? Commonwealth nations means those who are ruled previously by the Britishers. That is called, or that countries are called Commonwealth countries. Simply, Commonwealth countries means British colonies. That countries only eligible to participate in this multi-sport international event. Okay, that games, Commonwealth Games have conducted by Commonwealth Games Federation, CGF. Commonwealth Games Federation, which was founded in 1932. Headquarters situated at London, England. Very important. Out of that, here until now, from 1930 to 2018, there are 21 games were held. 21 games. Only 2 occasions the games were cancelled. In 1942 and 1946 due to World War II. 1942 and 1946 the games were cancelled due to World War II. Very, very important that. In that events, 21 events, only 6 countries have been participated in every game. Every game until 21. From 1930 to 2011, 6 countries have participated in every period or every game. That countries are Australia, Canada, England, New Zealand, Scotland, Wales. Once again, Australia, Canada, England, New Zealand, Scotland, Wales. These 6 countries have participated regularly, each and every sport event from 1930 to 2018. The Commonwealth Games changing their names. For the first time, these games were called British Empire Games. The games first called as British Empire Games from 1930 to 1950, around 20 years. After that, the British Empire Games changed as British Empire and Commonwealth Games. Second name, British Empire and Commonwealth Games from 1954 to 1966. After that, these games changed as British Commonwealth Games. British Commonwealth Games from 1970 to 1974. 1970 to 1974. From 1978 onwards, these games are called Commonwealth Games till now. The Commonwealth Games now called from 1978 onwards. Very, very important that. Now coming to the 2018 games. The 2018 games edition was 21st. Held in 2018 April. Host where the place the Commonwealth Games held in 2018 means Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. 2018 games were held in Australia. And the next one, it was the 5th time Australia hosted this event. This was the 5th time for Australia to host Commonwealth Games. Next one, participant countries 71, sport disciplines 18, sport events 275. Sport disciplines and sport events difference are here. Swimming is the sport discipline or running is the sport discipline. Out of that, in that swimming or running, 100 meters is there, 200 meters is there, butterfly stroke, backstroke. These strokes are events. 100 meters, 200 meters are events. That's 18 sport disciplines, 275 sport events. What is the motto for 2018 games? Share the dream. Share the dream is the motto for 2018 Commonwealth Games. Who won the highest medals? Who topped the medal tally? Any question like this, you keep the answer Australia. Australia topped in the medal tally with 198 medals. 198 medals. 80 are gold, 59 are silver, 59 are bronze. Total 198. Second place, England. Second place, England. 45 gold, 45 silver, 46 bronze. Total 136 medals. India ranked at 3rd with 66 medals. India had won 26 gold, 20 silver, 20 bronze. Total 66 medals had won by India in 2018 Commonwealth Games and ranked at 3rd in medal tally. And the next one, India had participated with 216 athletes, 216 athletes. 113 are men, 103 are women athletes. Amul is the sponsor for these athletes. Amul. Raymond is the sponsor of dressing of the Indian athletes. Anand Milk Unit Limited, Amul is the sponsor. Raymond is the dress sponsor. Here also opening ceremony and closing ceremony is there. In 2018 Commonwealth Games, in the opening ceremony, who is the national flag bearer for India? Means PV Sindhu. Who is the national flag bearer for closing ceremony? Mary Kom. Opening, our national flag bared by PV Sindhu. In closing ceremony, Mary Kom. Very, very important. And here, very, very important, and another thing is, India participated for 18th time. Only 3 times only India did not participated in this Commonwealth Games. 1950, 1962 and 1986. India did not participate. That's why we participated for 18th time out of 21 games held. And next one, totally in these 18 games, India had won 504 total medals. 504 total medals. 181 gold, 175 silver, 148 bronze, total 504, and totally ranked at 5th in total medals of the overall event. In the overall event, Australia topped in that list, 2,416 medals. Australia. In 2018 also topped by Australia only. Okay, and the next one here, Flora Duffy became the first gold medal winner in 2018 games. Flora Duffy. Mirabai Chanu won the first gold medal for India in 2018 games. Mirabai Chanu became the first Indian player won the gold medal for Commonwealth Games in 2018 held at Gold Coast, Australia. Okay, here another information is there. Every game such as Olympics, Asian Games, National Games and Commonwealth Games, these are athletic championships. These games having opening and closing ceremonies. In the opening ceremony, who will enter the first? Who will enter the last? Out of that 71 in 2018, who will enter first? Who entered last? Here, one thing you should remember. In Olympics, Greece will enter first, hosted country will enter last. In Commonwealth Games, different tradition is there. British colonies, I said, that's why you think like this wrongly. British entered first, hosting country entered last. This is wrong. Here, the Commonwealth tradition is different. In the closing or opening ceremony, first country is previous games hosted country. It means 2018 held and 2014 previous games are. The 2014 which country hosted in 2014, that country will enter first in opening ceremony. Hosted country generally entered last. It means in 2014 Commonwealth Games held at Glasgow in Scotland. It means in 2018 opening ceremony, the Scotland entered first. Australia entered last. In 2022, 22nd games will be held in Birmingham, England in 2022. In that opening ceremony in 2022, Australia will enter first, England will enter last. That is the tradition. Remaining countries in middle of that countries, as per their region, European region, Caribbean region, Asian region, like these regions will enter into the parade in closing or opening ceremonies. Okay, this is the total information about the Commonwealth Games in the point of standard GK. And also 2018 muscat name is Barobi Blue Koila. I forgot this. Barobi Blue Koila is the muscat for 2018 games. Okay, thank you. This is the information about the Commonwealth Games.